Welcome to my channel. Tooth cavities can be painful, but did you know you can manage and prevent them with simple home remedies? Let's explore remedies, their benefits, and how to maintain a cavity-free smile. Remedy 1. Saltwater rinse. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm water. Method 1. Mix salt in warm water until dissolved. 2. Swish the solution around your mouth for 30 seconds. 3. Spit it out. Repeat 2 to 3 times daily. Benefits: reduces bacteria and inflammation, soothes irritated gums and promotes healing. Remedy 2. Clove oil application ingredients: 2 to 3 drops of clove oil. Cotton swab. Method 1. Dip a cotton swab into clove oil. 2. Apply directly to the cavity or affected tooth. 3. Leave it for 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Benefits: natural pain reliever and antiseptic. Fights cavity-causing bacteria. Remedy 3. Oil pulling ingredients: 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Method 1. Swish the oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Spit it out into a tissue, not the sink. 3. Rinse with warm water and brush your teeth afterward. Benefits: removes toxins and bacteria from the mouth, promotes overall oral hygiene. Remedy 4. Garlic paste. Ingredients: 1 garlic clove, a pinch of salt. Method 1. Crush the garlic clove and mix it with salt to make a paste. 2. Apply to the cavity or sore tooth. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse your mouth. Benefits: garlic contains allicin, which is a powerful antibacterial agent, reduces pain, and prevents bacterial growth. Remedy 5. Turmeric paste. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a few drops of mustard oil or water. Method 1. Mix turmeric powder with oil or water to form a paste. 2. Apply to the cavity or gum area. 3. Let it sit for 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Benefits: anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, soothe pain and fight bacteria. Remedy 6. Neem, margosa, twigs or oil ingredients: neem twigs or neem oil. Method 1. Chew a neem twig to clean teeth naturally. Alternative: apply neem oil to the affected area with a cotton swab. 2. Rinse after 5 to 10 minutes. Benefits: antibacterial properties reduce plaque and bacteria, strengthens teeth and gums. Remedy 7. Green tea rinse. Ingredients: 1 cup of unsweetened green tea. Method 1. Brew green tea and let it cool to room temperature. 2. Rinse your mouth with the tea twice daily. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, it reduces inflammation and prevents plaque buildup. Remedy 8. Eggshell powder for remineralizing teeth. Ingredients: eggshells, from 2 to 3 eggs. Toothpaste method. 1. Clean the eggshells. Wash the eggshells thoroughly to remove any residue. 2. Boil the eggshells. Boil them for 5 to 7 minutes to eliminate germs. 3. Dry the eggshells. Spread them out on a clean surface or baking tray and let them dry completely. 4. Make powder. Grind the dried eggshells into a fine powder using a blender or grinder. 5. Usage. Mix a pinch of this powder with your regular toothpaste. Brush your teeth gently with this mixture. Benefits: eggshells are rich in calcium and minerals that help remineralize tooth enamel. They strengthen teeth and reduce the risk of cavities. Prevention tips for tooth cavities. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are some simple tips to avoid cavities in the first place. 1. Brush twice daily. Use fluoride toothpaste to strengthen enamel and prevent decay. 2. Floss daily. Clean between teeth to remove trapped food particles. 3. Limit sugary foods. Avoid sweets, sodas, and sticky foods that feed bacteria. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink water frequently to maintain saliva flow, which cleanses your teeth naturally. 5. Eat calcium-rich foods. Include milk, cheese, and green leafy vegetables in your diet to strengthen teeth. 6. Chew sugar-free gum. Stimulates saliva production and prevents plaque buildup. 7. Regular dental checkups. Visit your dentist every 6 months for early detection and cleaning. These remedies are natural and effective for managing cavities. However, severe cases require professional care, so don't skip your dental checkups. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to support us. Stay healthy and keep smiling.